Don't let your issue stop you from getting to your purpose and your destiny. We literally have an issue, but everybody has some form of an issue or problem. It's the thorn. You beating up on yourself only stops you from moving forward into your purpose and to your destiny. You have to really understand that your issue was taken care of a long time ago through Jesus Christ and his resurrection on the cross. The more you move into your purpose and the more you move into your destiny, you start operating in the will of God. And now you're operating less in your will because now you aren't allowing the guilt to hold you back. And also you aren't allowing the shame to keep you from pushing and moving into your future. It's already been covered. So today, let it go and be free. Allow him to come into your hearts and allow him to make you free today. It's been covered.